First off, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my toes down with some nail polish remover because I had nail polish on them before. Can't really tell, but it was something there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clip my toenails down, more like in a not triangle, a square shape, or however this toenail clipper allow it. I'm not an expert at this, but this is what I do. You can tell I'm struggling with some of the toes. It's not too much to take off, but I'm still trying to get that perfect square. Now I'm finna go ahead and file them down. Whatever the nail clippers didn't do, the file gonna try to do. I don't know why I'm following that pinky. Ain't really a toenail there. Now I'm using this pointy stick to get any dead skin or crud that could be possibly hiding under my toenails. Especially since I did just get them filing them down. I'm pretty sure just a residue left underneath. Now I'm using this handy dandy water bottle to spray my feet down because I'm finna use this scrub to scrub all the dead skin cells and feet crud and any buildup in between the toes, on the heels, anything that this thing can do. I'm gonna try to get it done. Also massage my feet too, just to make me feel like I'm really pampering myself. Okay, about done massaging. Yes, I tried it. It didn't work. Okay, now I'm using the LA Colors base coat to go ahead and paint the base of my toenails. Just put light strokes on your toes. So it won't be so wet when you put the regular paint on. I'm going in with this SE, I think it's some kind of navy blue metallic color. I ain't got the nail polish around me. I can't even see what the name is. I'm only gonna put one coat on this because after I get done with my toes, I'm about to go ahead and leave out. So if I put two coats on, it'll still be wet. Now I'm using a Q-tip with nail polish remover on it to remove all the excess nail polish paint that is on my skin that I accidentally put on while painting my toes. I'm not perfect. Things will happen, especially using this kind of color. It's bound to happen. But I accidentally hit my other toe, so I had to go back in and paint the little spot that I hit. Funny thing about this, I'm like literally taking my time doing it. Like it's summer outside and I'm finna throw on some flip-flops, which is not the case. I'm gonna be wearing socks and my Timberlands, and the socks will take it off itself. Now I'm going back over with the top coat. It's the same thing that I use for the bottom coat. Putting this on top of the nail polish so it can last a little bit longer and stay shiny. Now I'm all done doing the happy feet dance. This is my first video, guys, so I would like for you to like and subscribe if you can, and I'll be posting more in the future. See you later. Bye.